In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PowerPoint slides in Wix Studio with this quick guide that should only take about 5 minutes to follow. Whether you're looking to enhance your web project or simply share visual content more effectively, incorporating PowerPoint slides can be a great way to enrich your site. So let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to Wix Studio, the web platform that's specifically built for agencies and enterprises. Once you're on the Wix Studio homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is locate and click on the Login button. This will guide you through the essential process of accessing your Wix account. When prompted, select the Continue with Google option to quickly and securely sign in using your Google credentials, a convenient choice for those who want to bypass the hassle of remembering another password. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the Wix Studio Editor page. Now navigate to the plus icon that's typically used for adding new elements to your page. Clicking this icon is your gateway to a variety of customization options, which is exactly what we need to bring your PowerPoint slides onto your site. Next, from the panel that appears, locate the Gallery option and click on it. Galleries are an excellent way to display content in a visually appealing manner, and this is where your slides will fit perfectly. Once you've clicked on Gallery, the management area for your media will appear. Here you should click on Manage Media. In this section you can tailor your media content, organizing, editing, or maybe even swapping out files if needed, making it a pivotal step for anyone looking to have control over their visual elements. You'll see a list of media items. Click on Select All to ensure that any previous images that you don't need are highlighted for the next step. Then hit Delete. Removing old or unnecessary images keeps your workspace clean and makes it easier to add your slides without clutter. With a tidy gallery at your disposal, go ahead and click on Add Media. This prompts you to choose what type of media you'd like to incorporate. Click on Image as we're dealing with PowerPoint slides that have been converted into images. The next move is straightforward. Click on Upload Media, and from your device, select the PowerPoint slides you want to add to your Wix site. This ensures that your specific content is uploaded, ready to be manipulated, and displayed exactly how you envisioned. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll efficiently and seamlessly add PowerPoint slides to your Wix Studio project. With this visual enhancement, your website visitors are sure to enjoy a more engaging and dynamic experience. Thanks for joining me, and happy customizing with Wix Studio.